In this video, I'm going to go over custom form processing. So let's go to a form real quick. In a previous video, we've already gone over how to set up forms and using the default form processing, configure where the submissions are sent. Now, in order to set up custom form processing, we need to go to the operations portal, and here we can log in. And here we're going to go to where the forms are processed. So we need to find API scripts. It'll be under the development tab. And here we need to find the process customer form.js record. So here it is. We can go ahead and go to the details. And here we have some JavaScript code that makes up the default form processing. So let's just walk through what it does real quick. Here at the bottom, it calls this processor.process function and sends in the form data. The form data here is what is sent from the CMS form. So if we go back, for example, name, email, phone, company name, customer number, and message will all be in this form data. So now let's go through the function. Here it'll do a bunch of checks, make sure there's a payload, make sure the reCAPTCHA is set up, and verify the reCAPTCHA. And here, if there's any files in the form data, it'll go through them and add it to a files array. And then down here, it'll go ahead and send the email. In this .send method, we send in a template code. So you can change the code here and process the forms how you would like. For example, let's say that I want certain form submissions to be sent to myself, and then I want different form submissions to be sent to a different email address. So here we have this register form. Let's say if somebody submits this form, I want these to be sent to me. And then here we have a contact us form. And these submissions should be sent to a different email address. We can go ahead and do that. First, we need to find a way to differentiate these forms. So each form will have a form name. You can find that by going to the page in the operations portal. It'll be under CMS. Here I have the contact and register forms. I'll go ahead and go to the contact form. And then here you want to select the form. Go to block in the sidebar. And here we can see the form name. I'll go ahead and set this as contact and save. And for the register form, I'll go ahead and set the name to register. Now that the forms are named, we can go to our script. As the script is called, it'll send in the form data and also the form name. So down here where it sets the two emails, we can go ahead and add a new variable. And I'll just default it to whatever's in this setting here. And then if form name is equal to register, we'll send this email to myself. And then if the form name is equal to contact, we'll send the form submission to, let's say, jennifer@credairs.com. Let's go and send that in here, and let's save our changes. Now when we submit these register or contact forms, the register form will be sent to myself, and then the contact forms will be sent to Jennifer, and if there's any other forms, it'll fall back to the default, which is the email addresses in the contact form email to setting. So let's go ahead and test it out and submit these forms here. And let's go ahead and submit the contact form. Now this register form submission will be sent to myself, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to view the emails from the operations portal. You can go ahead and go to the emails screen. And here, let's refresh, make sure we got the latest emails. And here are the 2 latest emails. So here is my contact form submission, and we can see that it was sent to Jennifer. Let's check the other one. Here is my register submission, and we can see that it was sent to myself. So that is an example of how you can customize your form processing, and that's about it.